In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Payoneer. Start by making sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open your account settings, where you can manage your business and payout details. Inside Settings, look for the Account Settings section and click Business. This will take you to the area where your business information and banking setup are managed. From there, open the Bank Accounts and Currencies tab. This section shows the bank accounts connected to your Stripe account for payouts in different countries and currencies. Next, click Add Bank Account. Stripe will now ask you to enter the banking details for the account where you want to receive payouts. Before filling anything in, open a new browser tab and sign in to your Payoneer account. Here you will see the bank account details Payoneer provides for receiving payments. Choose the receiving account that matches the payout country and currency you are setting up in Stripe. This part is important because the country and currency in Stripe need to match the receiving account details shown in Payoneer. After selecting the correct receiving account, copy the required banking information. Depending on the country and currency, this may include the account holder name, account number, routing number, sort code, IBAN, or other bank details. Make sure you copy everything exactly as shown so Stripe can verify and use the account properly. Now go back to your Stripe tab and enter the Payoneer receiving account details into the bank account form. Fill in each field carefully and double-check the information before moving on. Even a small mistake in the bank details can cause payout issues or delays. When everything has been entered correctly, review the information one more time and click Save or Add Bank Account, depending on what Stripe shows on your screen. Stripe may ask you to complete additional verification steps before the account is fully connected. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions and complete the required verification. Once the process is finished, return to the Bank Accounts and Currencies section in Stripe and confirm that your Payoneer account now appears in the list. This lets you know the connection was added successfully and is ready for payouts if approved by Stripe. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.